Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to set up an assembly task using items found around your home.
So this activity will include stuffing a card into an envelope and then putting it in the finish bin. So as you can see, I have 3 different sets of cards and 3 different sets of envelopes. They match by color, which is really helpful. If you don't want to introduce the different sets and different colors, you can also just introduce one type of card with one type of envelope and just have that be the kind of routine. So you will first set up using 3 containers. You'll have 1 container for your cards, 1 container for your envelope, an area for workspace, and a finish bin. Now I will provide different sets of verbal cues for packaging envelopes, including the same color first and introducing different colors in the second set. For this task, you will be putting cards inside envelopes. Get card. Get envelope. Open envelope. Slide in card. Push all the way down. Gently fold over. Put in finished. Get card. Get envelope. Open. Gently slide in envelope or gently slide in card. Push all the way down. Fold to close. Put in finished. For this activity, you will put cards inside the matching color envelope. Get card. Find the same color envelope. Open. Slide card in gently. Push all the way down. Fold to close. Put in finished. Get card. Find matching color envelope. Open. Gently slide card in. Push all the way down. Fold to close. Put in finished. Get card. Find matching envelope. Open. Gently slide in card. Push all the way down. Fold to close. Put in finished. Gently put card in. Fold to close.